Welcome to this quick tutorial on working and finalizing documents in SpEd Forms. Let's go through the key differences and where to find each one. When you open an IEP, you're working in an editable document. These are referred to as working documents. They contain details like service dates and numerical values that are useful in reporting, but they do not appear on the finalized version. Additionally, the layout and format of working documents looks dramatically different than the finalized copy that the parents receive. You can print a working document and it will look very similar to the finalized copy. However, this does not preserve the document in the system. We ask the case managers finalize IEPs before sending them home so there is a preserved electronic copy of what the family has received. Once an IEP is finalized, it becomes a static document that cannot be edited. Finalized IEPs are stored in the History section. In the History tab, you can see when an IEP was finalized and who finalized it. This ensures that we always have an exact record of what was sent home. Remember, working documents are editable, but only finalized documents are preserved as the official record. Always finalize an IEP before sending it home. For more information and tutorials, visit the Co-op's online binder or contact your special education coordinator.